So we are in position now, and it's going to be a lot of black. I'm going to do this part here and there. In here it starts to be different colors, and there are some different colors here. E, a square, some heart shapes around. The heart shapes are the black ones. Here is a star, something else, and here starts the head of Darth Vader and some other colors. Why did I choose Darth Vader? One, he is a big fan of Star Wars, and actually I like Star Wars also, but when I see the movies, it's always it takes too long for me, and after 1 hour I am not interested anymore. So yeah. And why Darth Vader and not some good guy or some other character from the movie? He actually has 2 cats, and they are black, and one is a girl. Her name is Rey. Yeah, don't ask me why he calls his female cat Rey, but okay. And he has a guy. He is shy. He is nothing like Darth Vader, but his name is Vader. So 1 and 1 is still 2, so I was thinking, okay, something with Star Wars. And then I found the website that I will put in the comment below. No, not in the comment below, just in the box below. And this one has C-3PO, R2-D2, some other characters that I don't know by name, and Darth Vader. And I was thinking, okay, Darth Vader it will be. Yeah, so that's why. This painting has a lot of black diamonds, so it will be a dark one, literally. And actually it's a 30 by 40 centimeters, but it has 37 colors. So I was really surprised how much colors this painting has. If I see the difference with the big painting I had, the 120 by 56, this one had just 19 colors. And I think this is not a lot for a big size painting. And I have my custom painting still lying somewhere, and this is a 90 by 60 centimeters, and actually this painting has 50 colors. So yeah, I think the big painting, the 120, had not a lot of colors at all. I had my Donald Duck. This was a 50 by 40 also, and it had 19 colors also. So yeah. And what I also did, I bought these little boxes for storing my leftovers. And some of you comment me in some previous videos that all the colors are actually the same number, like the 310 is the 310 always is black, and that the 150 is always a kind of red, and the 500 is a kind of green. But actually I had, I think it was 164, I think, and they were definitely not the same color. They were in the same direction of green, but the one was a dark green and the other one was lighter. So, or the company make a mistake and send me the wrong color, or actually not all the companies use the same numbers with the same colors. I did 1, 2, 3, 4 paintings now, and I have almost 100 colors left over because I bought this box with 100 little boxes inside to store them, and they are almost all done. And I have some colors that are the same, and they are actually the same color by number, but this one, it was completely a different color. And I bought this storage boxes, and I bought a box to store them in, but actually it takes a lot of place. I was thinking it should not, but it did. So I still have to look to find something else to store all my diamond leftovers. And you guys told me don't throw your leftovers away, because sometimes you have just a little bit not enough, and then you have your leftovers to continue. And it's really a good idea to keep your leftovers, but with every painting I have till now 10-15% over every time, so my leftover box will be fuller and fuller and fuller. And maybe I will stop using the little boxes to put my leftovers in and just buy the little bags like this, the zip bags, bigger than this of course, but to store them, because you can fit more not more diamonds in a zip bag, but you can, it takes less space, a little bag, than these little boxes that I bought. But I was thinking, yeah, the boxes are better, they are stronger, and they have a lid on top, and the seal bags can break, or yeah. But actually I think seal bags are better than the boxes. And definitely the seal bags are more cheap. So yeah, for the future I think to store them in seal bags, zip bags, sorry, are better for me than these little boxes I bought. And I also want to apologize. I told you I wanted to make some videos about my life, if you were interested, and put them somewhere on my channel. But actually it's not really coming. Maybe in the future, but for the moment I'm really not feeling comfortable to talk to my phone when I'm with friends or when I'm shopping or doing some stuff. One, I don't feel comfortable because all the people are watching you, and here in France it's then how do you say this, they think you are a blogger and everybody wants to talk to you and everybody wants to know what you're doing, and yeah, so the job of a blogger in France is not the same as in Holland. In Holland it's fun, but everybody leaves you alone, or you have to be a super big blogger and everybody wants pictures with you and autographs and this kind of stuff. But here in France, if you make video blogs or YouTube videos, yeah, they see it as something special. And I work in this theme park, and there are a few, not a few, but there are some vloggers that comes into the park, and they use not their phones anymore, they use some camera, not a real big huge thing, but yeah, they have their camera, they have an external microphone, the screen that they can see themselves, and you see that people are watching them, what they're doing, and yeah, I don't like the attention for myself, so I don't see myself vlogging for the moment. Maybe I'm too shy to do this, but maybe it will come. Maybe I will, maybe if I find the right person to do this with, maybe in the future. So it's not that it's that I say I will never do it, but for the moment, no. But it was also a big step for me to make this kind of videos. I have this YouTube channel now for a very long time, 10-15 years I think, and it's not sticking anymore. And just the last 3 or 4 months I get my 100 subscribers extra. It was all the time till 10, 5, 6, then someone left and someone continued coming again. So yeah, I always wanted to make a YouTube channel, but it didn't came. And then I was thinking, okay, let me make Disney videos. I'm working in Disney, so I'm every day there. But also this didn't work out. And then I found this diamond painting, and I found someone who is also making diamond painting videos. And I was thinking, okay, let me do this. I like diamond painting. I want to, sorry, I want to tell you how my experience are and how I start diamond painting. So that's what I'm doing now, and for the moment I'm enjoying it. I had a little ball, little thing under my diamond, and I pressed it, and I broke it, so I had to remove it. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of parts, but for now it's this. So yeah, it's the start of the shape of the dark vader. I can remove a little piece so you can see it a little bit better. So it's the start of his helmet, and I think, let me turn this off. With the colors, what I see now, it will be very nice, and I think the quality of the picture is also nice. The diamonds are very close to each other. Super nice, super smooth. So yeah, I cannot wait to continue. You can see the picture here in the top corner, and it's actually the same as there. So yeah, I'm very happy that I bought this dark fader painting for my friend. I think I will continue in the next part. Today it's already 6 o'clock. So yeah, I don't know if I will continue, but I will do this part next. So I think I will do it today, but that's for our next diamond painting with me. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry that it was a little bit long, but I think it's worth it. So thank you very much for watching. If you don't follow me and you want to follow me, just push the follow me button, push the bell button so you get the notification when I upload a video. And if you want to know anything, just ask me in the comment boxes below. If you want to know where I bought this painting, it's also written down below. And the rest me just to say, have a nice day, see you real soon at a new diamond painting. Thank you, bye bye.